Hello, today we will guide you through how to down ADN install Wispr. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be any standard browser you normally use for browsing the internet. Once the browser is open, click into the search bar so you can begin searching for the software. Starting from a browser search is a simple way to quickly find the correct download page, especially if you do not already have the website saved. Next, type in the phrase Wispr download and run the search. Be sure to spell it as accurately as possible so the most relevant results appear at the top. Searching this way helps you find the download page directly and saves time compared to navigating through multiple websites manually. If your search results take a moment to load, just wait until the page fully displays before moving on. When the results appear, look for the official Wispr website and click on it. It is important to choose the official site so you download the correct installer from a trusted source. This helps avoid unofficial pages or unrelated results that may appear in the search list. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the right page before continuing to the download. After reaching the official site, download the installer if it has not already begun automatically, and then open the downloaded installer file. In most cases, you can find the downloaded file in your browser's downloads area or in your computer's downloads folder. Opening the installer will begin the setup process for Wispr. If your computer asks for permission to allow the file to make changes, review the prompt and continue if everything looks correct. Once the installer window opens, click on Install and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your operating system, but the process is usually straightforward. Read each screen carefully and continue through the setup until the installation finishes. If there are any brief loading moments during installation, just let the process complete without closing the window. After installation is done, Wispr should be ready to use. At that point, you can launch the app and continue with any initial setup the program may request. That's all it takes to download and install Wispr.